We breathe. In time to the syncopated heartbeats of seagull calls and waves lapping the shore. The fire cackles and gaggles as we giggle at the dimming sky and the breeze that comes with it. This right here is peace, we say, with the earth and the air and fire and water kissing our feet, our hearts beat sweet in time to the setting sun. We are one, we say. And we feel the earth hum her melancholy tune of contentment and fleeting joy seeping into crevices she had long forgotten how deep her sadness flows. She never thought that she would die alone. Gutted and shorn like a sheep, she bleats in peace as we sit at her Pacific mouth and listen to tales of the olden days, when her veins ran clear and strong, melting life down mountain tops to humans' cups where they said thank you on their knees. She misses breathing with us, heart beating with us. She misses being a living being and being treated as such. We forgot her name with age. From Gaia to Terra, Mother Nature to earth to rock, ashes to ashes, dust to dust, she knows what she is becoming. But she just asks us to breathe and remember her as she is now. The seagulls call, the fires crackle, us sitting on logs and rocks, listening to the sounds of the earth, simply breathing.